It can be annoying trying to figure out if the pickups on your electric guitar are working or how the switch is wired up on it. But we have a tool that's going to help us figure this out really quick, and everyone's got one. It's your cell phone. What's really happening here is we have a speaker system in our cell phone that creates a field that can be picked up by our pickups in our guitar. So all we have to do is move our cell phone over the pickups in order to get the signal into it. Now everybody's used this technique to amplify the sound into a speaker, but it turns out if we just rotate our cell phone so we just have one end close to the pickups, we can get a lot of isolation and identify which pickup is which. So we just pick one of our favorite songs, it's running, I can move it to the first pickup, second pickup, third pickup, and you can hear the amplitude change. And so we know in this case we have the third position on the selector switch, and we have the center pickup suddenly gets louder as we move across it. So we can use this trick with the selector switch, figure out which pickup goes with which selector. So we're in the first position. Okay, so we see it's the neck pickup. If we go to the second position, we get the middle and the second position. When we're in the third position, we're back to just having the center pickup. Go to the fourth position, and we've got one part of the pickup here and this guy going. And for the fifth position, we can see that we have the third pickup going. And so if we break this down, the first, the third, and the fifth positions, these are the individual pickups. We're in the fourth position or the second position. We have the pairs of pickups put together. So that's all it takes. We just have to have our cell phone. We want to make sure it's at more of an angle so we can isolate which pickup it is in particular. And of course we can just tell by the speaker getting louder whether we're over the pickup that's active or not. So there it is, a real simple tool for figuring out which pickup is which and how they're wired up in terms of our selector switches. Easy, right?